welcome back to your English literature class. I hope you all are doing well and you all are safe at your home. So, in last lecture we had studied chapter 1 of term 2, that is Robbie's Railroad. Today we will study worksheet 1. Okay, so remove page number 54 in your Canopy term book. So, today we will start with worksheet 1 and the name of the worksheet is The Toy Horse. Let us start. Nishu and her mother had a small shop. They sold carpets, scarves and many other pretty things. So there was a girl named Nishu and her mother had a shop. So what all things they sold in shop? They sell carpets, scarves. Scarves means a piece of cloth you wear around your neck for warmth. Okay, like in winters we wear scarves, right? So that is known as scarves, and many other pretty things. Nishu loved the colorful toy horses the best. So what Nishu loved? Nishu loved the colorful toy horses that her mother is selling in her shop. Her mother made them out of cloth and decorated them with little mirrors. So that toy horses were made out of cloth. Her mother made those toy horses from cloth and decorated with mirror. Okay, decorated means made something look nice. Okay, so that toy horse was fully decorated with mirror and the toy horse was made of cloth. Nishu wanted to play with the toy horses, but her mother never let her touch them. So Nishu loved the toy horses, so she loved to play with them, but her mother never allowed to touch the horses. Why her mother don't allow to touch her? Let us see. If you play with them, they will get dirty. What her mother said, that if Nishu, you play with those toy horses, the toy horses will get dirty. So this mother said to Nishu. Then nobody will buy them. So her mother said, if those toy horses get dirty, then nobody will buy those dirty toy horses. Nishu felt very sad as she did not have any other toys. So as her mother said this, Nishu felt very sad because she did not have any other toy to play with. Okay. One day her mother had an idea. Why don't you make a small horse for yourself? So one day her mother gave her an idea and said to Nishu that why don't you make a small horse for yourself? So Nishu made a small toy horse. So when her mother told her, then Nishu made a small toy horse for herself. It had crooked legs, but Nishu loved it. She took it everywhere. It had crooked legs. Crooked legs means bent legs. As you can see in the picture, the horse which is in Nishu's hand had a crooked leg. Means the horse legs were bent. But Nishu loved the horse and she took it everywhere where she goes. Okay. One day a woman came to the shop with her little daughter. So one day a woman came to the shop with her little daughter. The girl held a big doll in her arms. So the girl who came to the shop had a big doll in her arms. She was carrying a big doll with her. Nishu stared at the doll. It was beautiful. So Nishu was continuously looking at the doll because the doll was very beautiful, which was in that little girl's hand. I want the small horse, please, said the little girl. She was pointing at Nishu's horse. So the little girl who came to her shop, she told that I want a small horse which Nishu had made and which was in Nishu's hand. So the little girl was pointing that I want that small horse. Okay. Sorry, I cannot sell that. Why don't you take one of this nice big one, said Nishu's mother. Then Nishu's mother said that I cannot sell that horse. Because why she cannot sell that horse? Because it was made by Nishu and it was Nishu's toy horse. So her mother said that why don't you take another horse which was in the shop? No, I want only that one, the girl cried. So the little girl cried and said that no, I want that small horse only which was in Nishu's hand. So Nishu's mother took the small toy horse from Nishu and gave it to the girl. So what Nishu's mother did? Nishu's mother took that horse from Nishu and gave it to the little girl. You can take one of my big horses, she whispered to Nishu comfortingly. So when mother took the horse, she said in Nishu's ears that you can take the big horse from the shop. Because it was Nishu's horse, right? Tears started to fill with Nishu's eyes. So Nishu's eyes filled with tears. She started crying. She did not want to give away her little horse because Nishu's eyes filled with tears because she did not want to give her little horse. Don't cry, the little girl said to Nishu. You can take my doll. She held the doll out to Nishu. Then what? The little girl said to Nishu that don't cry. You can take my doll. And then she gave her doll to Nishu. Nishu looked at the lovely doll. I can make another horse anytime, she thought. Then Nishu started looking at the doll. And what she thought that I can make horse anytime again. She wiped her tears and smiled at the little girl. Thank you, she said. So when Nishu looked at the doll, she was very happy. And then she wiped her tears. And what she said? She said thank you to the little girl. So it was a very nice and a simple story. I hope you have understood this worksheet 1. Thank you.